The AIVOLT Electric Pressure Washer 3000 psi is a powerful and efficient cleaning tool equipped with a robust 1800-watt motor, capable of generating up to 3,000 pounds per square inch of pressure and a flow rate of 2.6 gallons per minute. This pressure washer is safe and eco-friendly, boasting a waterproof standard of IPX5 and a 35-foot power cord with inline GFCI for use on all exterior outlets. With an automatic total stop system and safety lock, the AIVOLT pressure washer conserves energy and prolongs the life of the pump, providing a safe and reliable cleaning experience. The pressure washer comes with 5 quick connection nozzles and a soap bottle, making it versatile and efficient for tackling light, medium, and heavy-duty cleaning tasks. With its compact and portable design, weighing only 21 pounds and equipped with mounted wheels and a sturdy handle, this pressure washer is easy to maneuver and store. The AIVOLT Electric Pressure Washer 3000 psi is an excellent value for money, offering a high-quality, reliable, and efficient cleaning solution for a variety of outdoor equipment.